Okay, Mom, this is the last 3 miles, and it's real slow going. They are all real tired. We got 2 big hills to climb, and then we'll be there. But this is called the Wessington Hills. And there's antelope up here. There's mule deer, a lot of badger holes. The horse I was on earlier, we were running, and there was a bunch of badger holes, and he just jumped over all of them. It was amazing. I've never jumped before. But anyway, this is cool. You got a couple big bulls right here in front of us. And if you know what the term bullshit means, well, there's some right there. Anyway, I better put this away now.